I've been hiking for like over an hour, and I still haven't found my way. It's very hard. The trail is like this. Probably the first hiker, because it's too early, and just only me all over the. It's getting harder. It's the vegetation is too thick, but you can see the ribbon signs, just like this one. Okay, I have to follow that road and see where I am going. What kind of plant is this? Nice. These are taller than me, so I should be able to relax. I'm halfway through that hill. Look at that. The view is just so amazing. Another sign here, so I'm in the right track. I mean, I'm on the right track. So let's go. I can see the Toad Rock formation over there. That's where I'm going. So here is another sign. So another one, and I'll just have to follow all the ribbons, then I can find the right path. Today the weather is like 24 degrees, and it's not really that hot, but it's sunny today, so I see another sign here. So I just keep following the ribbons, and then maybe in like 45 minutes I will reach that point, or I don't know, maybe an hour. It's a little bit hard. Getting hot, and well, I see another ribbon over here, so I'm going down first, then upwards again. I'll have to climb that hill or mountain trail, and yeah, on the right track, but it's a little bit steep here going down. Oh, it's a little bit steep. The gravels are loose. Oh, yeah. So when you hike here, you have to use proper hiking gears to avoid accidents. So that's how it looks like. And I will have to climb the ribbon here, the sign. Okay, that's the view behind me. I guess I'm on the right track. I can see those ribbons over there. Okay, that's where I'm going. I'm doing some bushwhacking. Halfway through the hike, I can see that one. That's where I'm heading towards. It looks so near, but yet so far. You could see the rock formation over there. You can see the view. Wow. It's really wow.
We got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it likes. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing, let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that, feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na, feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that, feels like